Let's begin our practice session with this exercise and learn how to find the circumference of a circle. Are you game for it, buddy?
Oh, yes, I totally am.
Find the circumference of the circle. Find the circumference of the circle. Circumference of a circle equals 2 pi r equals pi d. We can calculate the area of a circle using radius or using diameter. Since the radius is given, we use the formula circumference of a circle equals 2 pi r. Radius of the circle equals OL equals 21 centimeters. So the circumference of the circle equals 2 times 22 by 7 times 21. 7 cancels 7. 7 divides 21 thrice. We get 132 centimeters. So, the circumference of the circle is 132 centimeters. Excellent! Find the circumference of the circle. Use pi equals 3.14.
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 64 videos totaling 7 hours and 4 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 6 Math.